Hey dolls, so yes, it is the long awaited iPhone case collection video, the updated one. I told you guys a month ago that I was going to do it at the end of August, but a ton of people were still asking me. They're like, it's the end of August, and they had messaged me like on the 20th, and they're like, it's the end of August, when is your video going to be up? And it's the last week of August, it's the solid end of August. I don't plan on getting any more cases, but if some subscribers send them to me and everything, then I will be doing more updated videos for you guys. Please don't like tell me do an updated one every time like I get a new case or you see me get a new case or something like that. I will do an updated one in time. When I feel it's right, I will do it. So with that being said, first I'm going to show you guys how I store my cases. I store them in a basket like this that I just got at my local Dollar Tree. And another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is that my last iPhone case collection video, I didn't want it to be like 20 minutes long or something like that, and it ended up being like 25. So I'm going to take a whole different approach to this video, and I'm not even going to go into depth with each individual case. I'm just going to show it to you, tell you where I got it. That's that. So it will hopefully go by a lot faster, and if it doesn't, oh well, you're the one who's sitting through it. You don't have to watch the video if you don't want to. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right on into this. The first three cases that I'm going to show you are actually wallet cases. The first one I got at a store called Big Lots, and it just looks like this. I have Big Lots where I live. Don't know if you guys have it where you do. The next one is a leopard one that a subscriber had sent me. Just looks like that. And then the next one says Stash Your Cash, and it's hot pink, and this one is so adorable. And this one, the same subscriber who sent me the leopard one also sent me that. Alright, and then next we're going to go on to our silicone / protective cases. The first one is this OtterBox right here. I got this off of eBay. It's just the Realtree pink camo case. And then I have this Rabbito case that a subby sent me, and it was all bejeweled and everything, but the jewels just kept falling off and kept falling off and kept falling off. So it's just back to a Rabbito case. I'm so sorry about that, girl, but it's still cute. It's still a Rabbito case, so that's still adorable. Then this one was sent to me from a subby. It is just a little silicone stitch case. Then I have this panda one, which was sent to me from my friend Ella here on YouTube. So adorable. Then this Hello Kitty silicone one that a lot of people have. Got this on eBay as well. And then I have two of these little Rilakkuma or Ko-Rilakkuma ones. I had ordered this one, but they sent me this one, so I complained and I got my money back and everything like that from a seller on Amazon. But a subby actually, surprisingly, without me even knowing, just randomly sent this one to me. And this was the one that I had ordered in the first place, so I actually have two of them. And then I have this case that someone sent me that has it's like Legos, and then this little pink piece comes up and you can put it wherever you want on it. So it just looks like a Lego. And then this one was sent to me from a subby, Mandy. It's a blue penguin, silicone again. Then this one is just a pink Game Boy case that again was sent to me from a subby. You guys are so sweet when it comes to sending me cases or sending me anything in that matter. I do Prezi mail videos, so if you do send me something, I show it on camera and I give you all a huge thank you and everything like that. But the next one I actually got from my friend Mallory. She just recently got this for me, and it is just a Peekaboo Hello Kitty silicone case that is adorable. I love that one. And then this one right here is a protective one that has the hard cover, and then it has the silicone that goes over. Just a neon green. I bought this to match my boyfriend's case because he's got a very similar case. And then I just got this pink bumper at my local Dollar Tree, so it was only $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now moving on to like hard cases. The first one is this Hello Kitty leopard one that a subby had sent me. And then I got this battery charging case off of eBay, and you just put your phone in there and you have to charge the battery separately. It comes with a separate charger and everything, but you charge the case separately, and then when your phone's dead or something, you just turn the little on button on, and it's just like a dual battery for your phone. And then I have this one that you can like write on. I got this off of eBay. You can like write on it and then swipe it away. Alright, and then this one is actually one of the LED. The battery's out of it right now because if it's not on the phone it just falls out. This is just an LED color changing one that I got from a subby. And then this pink polka dot one, I actually bought the matching set on Amazon. There was a blue polka dot one that came with it, and I actually sent the blue one to my friend Alexis, and I kept the pink one for myself. This mustache case is hard, and I got it from phonecaseofthemonth.com. And then this one right here is just my white erase case. I don't have anything drawn on it, but this is the case that you can draw on it and then use the solution to wipe it away, kind of like a dry erase board. And then I have this super adorable Hello Kitty one where like you push her ear and it like locks it and stuff, and I got that off of eBay. And then this one was sent to me from a subby. It is just a lime green like quilted one. This one was sent to me from a subby also, and the rhinestones are like falling off, but I decided just to like keep it anyway because I can always re-rhinestone it later, but it's just a hard bejeweled Hello Kitty case. And then this one I painted myself. It's just like leopard. And then this one and this one, I got these from a company, I believe it's customphonecases.co.uk or .uk.co or something. I did a review on these. I can't remember the exact. Pink Diamond, I believe, is what it was. So if you want to see me talk about more about these cases, you can go check out that video. This one was sent to me from an Etsy shop. I believe it was called Lisa's Bits and Pieces. This one I actually made. It is just a classic glitter case. And then this one I got at my local Dollar Tree. It is just like a little pop-up stand one that's just purple. And then the ice cream melter case that a lot of people have. This case is very common. Got this on eBay for 99 cents. Pretty cool. And then I'm going to get onto my deco cases that either I have made or that Etsy shops have sent me. So the first one comes from Pretty Phone Cases on Etsy. It's P-R-E-T-T-I, so it's with an I instead of a Y, but it's just this beautiful bejeweled one that's pink and blue themed. The next one I actually made myself. It is just this crazy one that actually has a front face plate like this, and it's just got tons of different jewels and Barbie stuff, and it's pink and blue themed. Again, I made that one myself. This one I also made myself. It is just a card holder, and it's just a Deco Den style one. And then I have this one right here that was sent to me from Maddie Kawaii, I believe. I can't remember the shop name, but it's so adorable and it's so cute, and it looks like that. And then the next one I have is this beautiful Princess Cadence one with pink silicone that was sent to me from Petal Do Pastry on Etsy for review. This one I made myself. It just has a big Rilakkuma on it, a big pink bow, and a couple other trinkets on there, and it's just got some purple glitter frosting on the sides, or some drizzle on the sides. Then the next one is this Pinkie Pie one that I absolutely love that I got from Sadie's Creations on Etsy. She sent this to me for a review, and it's just got the pink drizzle on the side. And then this Care Bear one I made myself with like blue silicone, and it just looks like this. This case is currently for sale. I had someone wanting to buy it, and I was waiting for a payment from them, but it hasn't sold yet. This case is selling for only $20, so if you're 100% serious about buying this, preferably with PayPal, please contact me at amanda31409@gmail.com. Only if you're 100% serious about buying this case. It is for an iPhone 4 or 4S, I believe, and it's just got this pretty clear icing on the sides, and it just looks like this. It's just Care Bear, and it's just got blue glitter icing, and the drizzle on the side is just clear glitter. So it looks like that. So if you're interested, please let me know. I haven't worn that on my phone at all. It's for sale. It's just waiting to be sold. Then this one I just recently got from Rai Sweet on Etsy, or it's Riri Sweet or Rai Sweet, one of the two. And then this one I got from Share Bear phone cases on Etsy. It's adorable. It's a giant Charmy kitty on there, and it's all blinged out and so adorable. So again, Share Bear phone cases on Etsy. And then this one also came from my friend Mallory. It's just this cute little bejeweled one. She got this on Amazon as well as the Peekaboo Hello Kitty one. She got both of those on Amazon. And the side actually came broken, but it still fits on my phone just fine. So there's that. And then the very last one is the one that is on my phone right now. I got this from Jess Venice Designs. You guys saw this numerous times, including on my updated What's on My iPhone. And it is just this beautiful, blinged out Hello Kitty case. I actually had done a giveaway of an iPod Touch 4G case that she had made and designed, and it was so super fun. So those are actually all my cases. So I hope this video wasn't too terribly long for you guys. Now you don't have to complain about it being so long. I took a totally different approach to this, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or give it a thumbs down if I went too fast, or if you didn't like it. I don't care. If you liked it though, thumbs up, that's awesome. If you actually liked it and you're new to this channel and this is the first video you're watching, go ahead and feel free to subscribe. Hit that button for future iPhone case collection videos or future iPhone videos or whatever that may be. And also you can feel free to follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, or Instagram at Amanda31409, or you can like my fan page on Facebook, facebook.com/Amanda31409. And yeah, so until next time, so long, stay strong, stay true, and be you. Okay, bye guys!